if you're
JP. My neck, my back,
So
my
for
back,
the rip around.
my neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
So
my
for
back.
the rip around. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
My neck, my back, my neck, my back, my neck, my back, my back.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you want you.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for.
So, this is what I've been working on today. She almost done. I just went and got some more. But yes, this is how the room is looking. I moved this. This is how this is looking. And then I'll probably just scoot that over. I'll probably leave that just like that. And then if you go into the restroom, I did this with this shelf. So, yeah. Now I got somewhere to put my bath stuff.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the area, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother wasn't about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true.
I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we
brought full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought full door, had to get ready for war. I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey, that's the risk. Yeah, we spray his car, spray the window. She keeps something on my dick, tryna get it hickey. I swear that pussy too wet, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door, I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy, yeah. Hello, I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain. Oh my God, y'all niggas bet you'll be for y'all, I'll be dead. Pull out of hoes, pull out a whole lot of meds. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of clothes, nigga be stealing my sweat. Pull out a whole lot of earrings, these took your gas. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Pussy, it came with a 10, and the brick, it came with a bit. I can teach you how to flex, and the Draco, it came with a bitch. The condo, it came with a pit. My new bitch, she came with some dick. Man, they probably believe me, so I pulled up in my niggas on switch. Man, they probably believe me, they thought I believe in the devil and witch. Man, they probably believe me, a real rock star chrome all on my beat. I pretty fucking, I see me, that's why I be living my life like I'm Stevie. Wake up beside my bitch, I got on that titty, I leave it a G. I turned to an addict, I bought me a paddock, I brought her a baby. Yeah, I bought me a Maybach, came with the doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes. I stay with the betters and counting the cabbage while making my lady go. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was the rappers, that's why I been racing you. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in a Honda Ghost. I had to count my money on the bottom pole. I just took that bitch shopping from behind me. So I had to get all my niggas up behind, I had to get them off hold. I had to T12 right on the mile, drive it like my friend was stolen. He seem like my birthday brand new, cause I'm only known just the floor. Yeah, I just know they be watching, yeah, I just know they be watching. All these hoes love me, I am such a slimy guy. Nigga, do not trust me, baby, I'ma bust you. Wait before you bust me, you shouldn't have trust me. Girl, you got all love. If this beef no partake, no, I do not eat steak. All I eat is fish plates. My diamonds are cold in the face of my wrist. They don't win in the hill, all in my business. Switch in my crib and you know I'm too stressed. I made a million, you know, from this thing. I made a million. I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes. I stay with the betters and counting the cabbage while making my lady go back. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was the rappers, that's why I be racing you at. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, I ain't fuck a bitch so long, I do it in a Honda Accord. I had to count my money on the bottom pole. Yeah, I just took that bitch shopping, fuck behind the stores. Fuck behind the stores. You know that I got to get real, fuck behind the stores. You know that I got to get real, fuck behind the stores. Yeah, turn up a half my deal, I'm behind the stores. Yeah, she gonna that mileage like she ain't never take steal before. And I can do stuff for your homie, ain't never she kill before.
A little bit like I'm on the earth and I'm they all yellow like a bird. Inside me like 2 times 2, my money bitch all like that. Yeah, I bring money back, money, boy, that money all up. I'm swimming in it, yeah, I'm causing a madness. I'm fucking the bass, yeah, I'm popping the crabs. I'm popping the challenges, yeah, I never need practice. I'm only gon' double the dribble, yeah, your money subtracting. Yeah, put up on the checks, put up on the cup, put up on the swerve. Yeah, I ain't fucking with nobody, bitch got a crib in the burst. This shit could've got so bad, this shit could've got in the worst. So I said the check ain't big for swear they burst. I bring up my money the most, I'm richer than all of the nerds. Yeah, I'm flexing a big money road, these nuts in my pockets and I had a change to the talk, and the bitch can't rip it, no place till they burn. 24/7, I stay, they be bumping, they pilly, these motherfuckers burn. I think I'm on some of the bitch had a way that I blew up and live on the earth. All day, you don't think you can rock with that.
This is beautiful. Before I forget, I went to Hobby Lobby. I got me a black little cute fabric for this. There we go. Yes. So she's set in stones. Got a little green candle, a Wallyware candle, throwing off the green vines. But she beautiful. Ooh, I just burnt myself. She's beautiful. Then we got our little hair corner over here. My dead birthday flowers. Love these. Little fake little planty plant. Got all my brushes and tools that I like to use. Then we got our little puffy puffs, our mirrors, our braids for our ponytails, our little ear accessories. We got our jump rope for exercise, our cords for our phone, our speaker, our ad machine. A little corner got the connections and stuff. So yes, I'm excited. Later on down the line, I'll probably just add like flowers to the wall type of thing. But for the most part, this is how she gonna be. I'm happy, I'm satisfied every time I look up and see it. All I can say is she's beautiful. She's beautiful. I'm so happy I woke up today and decided to finally give myself something that I've been wanting for the dead fucking longest. And honestly, this is just a rough draft of this wall. Like, now we're on a quest of kind of like getting stuff together for our move. I made the bed for the whole aesthetic of everything. And she's giving. She don't look so bare, honestly. Like, this was a good call, honestly. Like, the best call of them all to make was to go ahead and do my wall, ignore the mess. I'm actually in the middle of braiding my hair, so I wanted to show this before I forgot to show the finished results. And then also later on down the line, I don't know why, but I got this fabric right here, and we're gonna throw it on this wall. We're gonna put her on the wall, and these will honestly be curtains. So we're gonna go ahead, kind of get our curtains going for the next apartment, and then yeah, we won't have to worry about buying so much. So yeah, we're trying to stock up.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the B-time and the East Laurent. She drive a Nissan and she in a Pima.